All right, how are you this evening?
Good.
All right, okay. Let me get you to stand over here. So first, what we're going to do is the balance test. So put your toes and heels together real close. There you go. Okay, now grab my fist. Arm straight, shoulder square like a toy soldier. I'm going to press straight down. You just stand tall and see how your balance is. Ready? Stand tall. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Doesn't take a whole bunch, right? Just a little bit of pressure to come off balance. Now let's see if this, let's go with the mint. See if this has any effect on your balance. Okay, just hold on, toes and heels together, same position. Grab the fist. Arm straight, shoulder square, stand tall. 1, 2, 3. Little different?
Keep going. Workout. Good.
Okay, now here's what something is going to affect your yoga. Watch this. Okay, step back. Okay, can you stand on one leg? In heels? This arm up like this. Okay, keep the leg up. This arm forward like this. Perfect. And forward the waist. There you go. There you go. Chin up. Beautiful. We call this the elite athlete. You are now an elite athlete. I'm going to press right here. You're going to hold your balance. I won't let you fall. Ready? Push up. Ready? Push up. Hold. Okay. All right. Now.
He's strong.
Let's put this right there. Okay. Same position. Here. Here. Bend forward here. Chin up. Same position. Okay. You ready? Push up. Hold. You think this would improve your yoga?
My goodness.
Okay, here we go. On the hands, squirt, squirt, rub it together. A little bit in the back of the hands, maybe a little bit in the face. Take a little smell.
Okay.
How's that?
My goodness.
How's it feel? How would you describe it?
Speechless.
Speechless.
Silk. Wow.
It's called Citrus Silk. Is that an appropriate name?
It's more than just citrus silk. It's more heavenly.
Okay, now, let's do the test. Back to the lead athlete. Arm up, this leg up, arm out, bend at the waist, chin up. All right, ready? Push up, hold.
Can push.
Like that. All right? Thank you very much.